My first project in my sample instructional design projects I collected for my portfolio was an online course blueprint. That was the beginning of my transformation into an instructional designer. Here I explored how theory, pedagogy, and technology merged to create engaging online lessons. Using backward design, I aligned objectives, activities, and assessments. For example, learners watch short videos before completing guided writing, task, and peer reviews. Through scaffolding, I built step by step practice so students could move from writing topic sentences to full paragraphs confidently. These design decisions helped me see how structure supports learning, a principle I later applied when interpreting performance data and creating user centered storyboards. This project became my foundation for designing purposeful and inclusive learning experiences. My second project, visualizing and evaluating students' performance data, marked my growth from structured design to evidence based decision making. Working in an online learning environment, I analyzed real classroom data sets to uncover patterns in student engagement and achievement. For example, I compared reading and science scores across classes to identify gaps and used visualizations like box plots and histograms to interpret trends. This process helped me see how data can tell the story behind learning outcomes and inform instructional choices. Through this case study, I learned to translate analytics into action, connecting evidence with design improvements. These skills later supported my work in empathy driven prototyping, where I used both data and user experience to design with greater impact. My third project was a storyboard prototype that brought creativity and empathy to the center of my design process. Using design thinking, I explored real challenges in online collaboration and mapped user experiences through storyboarding. For example, I visualized the steps a group of graduate students might take during a stressful morning, identifying pain points like miscommunication and lack of engagement. Through rapid ideation and low fidelity prototyping, I tested solutions that made virtual teamwork more human and motivating. This project helped me apply empathy, creativity, and iteration, turning data and structure from previous projects into engaging user centered experiences. It represents the point where my analytical and instructional design skills merged into innovation.